Welcome to my first content review. Keeping your tires at the correct pressure is something we neglect too often. It's an easy part of basic maintenance that is forgotten about regularly. It's essential to safety, performance, efficiency to any vehicular system with inflatable wheels. This device is a Suitu mini air compressor. It is designed to inflate tires on cars, bikes, scooters, as well as anything else inflatable, like footballs, airbeds, toys, etc. It's similar dimensions to a walkie-talkie, so it's easily portable. It's also rechargeable. It has a handy LED torch, so you can work in the dark, an SOS emergency light, and it also works as an emergency power bank as well, which I appreciate could be taken for granted nowadays, but it is a type of function that could truly save a life or take the fear of a scary situation. So I think this is an amazing feature to have. I haven't tried out many other mini air compressors before, but I hope this feature is found across every brand and not just a few models here and there. So as I'm on a budget, I went and sourced something reliable with a solid build that performs well and won't break the bank. I did a lot of comment readings and checked product comparisons to find something that ticks all the boxes and won't let us down. Just set the required tire pressure and forget for convenience. So what comes in the box? The compressor, the user guide, the air nozzles, ball needle, inflation adapter, charging cable, and a handy bag. It's lighter than a water bottle. It has user-friendly controls and display, and if you're unsure of the exact pressure required, the compressor has built-in presets. We tested how fast it could inflate this basketball here, and it was just around 35 seconds. You select your tire pressure and forget. It auto stops when it hits your required pressure. It has presets of a car, motorcycle, push bike, and a football, basketball. I suppose they'd be like the most general used pressures for those presets. This versatility means that you can inflate your tires anywhere you are. I bought this from the Colour Evoke store on eBay with prompt delivery, well packed, and good seller communication. I highly recommend this seller. At the time I picked this up for £15. There was cheaper and then there was more expensive. Similar products, but this had the best product reviews and a well recommended seller to this, and so the sale felt right. And I haven't been let down once. And I have put it to use a few times now. It'll do a ball bike wheel in 20 seconds, a motorcycle or EV in 60 seconds, a small car in 300 seconds. It has a copper motor, a metal cylinder block. It can be used to check tire pressure as well. The battery capacity is 2 times 200 milliamp hours. It will fully charge in 3 to 5 hours, constant usage time with everything on, and pumping something up is over 30 minutes. It's accurate to around 1 to 1.5 psi, and it has a flow rate of 35 litres per minute. It has a Type-C charging cable and 120 watts of power. Unfortunately, it can't be used in super large vehicles like tractors or HGVs. This is my first ever review and I hope it will be helpful to someone. If anyone has their own recommendations for the same type of product, then you're welcome to leave information in the comments. Thanks guys, stay safe, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.